Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you not 2, but 3 affordable prefab homes that are available now. I recently posted a video talking about a prefab home that's on Amazon that seems too good to be true. Turns out it is, big surprise. I went back to the comment section to see what people were saying, and multiple people had asked for a list of affordable prefab homes that are, for lack of a better word, real. That's a great idea. In fact, I feel it's my duty as a regionally popular YouTuber pulling average views to show a few options people might be interested in checking out, and in return, feel free to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show a few options available in different parts of the USA, so let's get into it. There is always a lot going on in the prefab home industry, but lately I've noticed a bit of frustration with prices. It seems that the prices of some of what I show are higher than people are looking to pay, so perfect time to get into a few different affordable options. One of the companies that's been on my radar for a couple years now builds out of Battleground, Washington, cool name alert, and they're called Wolf Industries. For anyone sitting there thinking, where is Battleground, Washington? It's about 30 miles north of Portland, and since starting the company, they've built 393 homes. They've got an active counter right there on their website, and by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be higher. It says on their website that they're currently building one home every 3 days. It's a lot of homes. Something to consider when you're out looking at a prefab home is how many tasks are handled by the company building the home and how many tasks are handled by the buyer. Even though it seems as easy as clicking buy now on a website and plopping a new home down on a piece of property, there is a bit more to it than that. I'm talking site work before a home arrives, trucking, a crane, site work after the home arrives, and on and on and on. Do you have time to get that organized and finished while the home's being built? Do you? If not, nobody panic, because Wolf Industries is a company that can look after the process at every step. It's listed right there on their website. It says, we don't just build homes, from site work to construction, we take care of everything. That way you can focus on what matters to you. Whatever that may be. Basically, do you want to spend your spare time organizing a foundation and services, or do you want to play pickleball? I don't know. Some people like taking a hands-on approach and others not so much, so whatever suits your fancy. If you want to get your hands on something from Wolf Industries, they've broken their process down into 5 steps, starting with a project review and proposal. If everything goes according to plan at that initial meeting, from there it goes permitting, production, and finally delivery. They've currently got 6 models available with prices starting at $67,500, but I'm going to check out their 2-bedroom Model E because I think there are a lot of people out there looking for something a little bigger. It says the Model E offers a design that is ideal for someone that desires a roomier floor plan. The centralized open layout offers a good buffer between bedrooms located on opposite sides. The dimensions of the Model E are 14 feet wide by 44 feet long for a total footprint of 616 square feet. To name a few of the notable interior options included in the Model E, they've got vaulted ceilings and granite or quartz counters. I like it. On the outside, it looks like they've got the choice of lap or vertical siding and a couple different roof options. They offer an optional metal roof, an optional sliding glass door, and an optional smart home package. Let's be honest, it's always nice to have options available to put a personalized touch on a home from the factory. Bringing up the floor plan, the way they have this thing set up, it has an entrance on the front near the middle of the home, and you enter into the kitchen. The home has a full corner kitchen, allowing room for a table. Then the kitchen is open to the living room before coming up on bedroom 2. Heading the other direction, they've got a bathroom near the kitchen, then it goes into the main bedroom. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again, in a single section 2-bedroom home, this style of layout is my favorite. Bedrooms at either end opens up the middle and it makes it feel more spacious. As of right now, Wolf Industries has delivered to Washington, Oregon, California, Idaho, Montana, and Utah. It is also noted on their website that if you don't see your city or county listed on the list, to reach out. So it does sound like they're open to delivering to other areas. I know there are people watching from all over North America, and it has been mentioned multiple times that I favor the West Coast in Canada, so for the back half of this video, we are jumping over to the South Central region to check out a company called Sha Space. Sha Space is a builder located near Austin, Texas, building what they describe on their Instagram bio as attainable solutions for housing and hospitality. Over on their website, it says they produce exceptionally durable, efficient, and affordable buildings, and and that they build them quickly. Again, I have been following My Sha Space for a while now, so there is a very high chance you've already heard of them, but I noticed they've added something to their website that I found interesting, and I think others will as well. They have a section on their website dedicated to units that are available now, or soon, I guess I should say, because it's not like a car or a puppy. You can't just go get it the day you decide you want it. Takes a bit more planning. The big question then becomes exactly what do they have available? As of October 13th, they've got 2 offerings available. I'm recording this on November 1st, so things could very well have changed by now. Either way, let's check it out. The first model they have available is called the Sha Flex 400, and as you can see, this is one they're already building. This specific build features a kitchen, a bathroom with a corner shower, the porch upgrade with a 6-foot sliding glass door, and an additional 4x4 window. It's noted that if the home is still available, there would still be an option to select the exterior color on the end walls. Since the last update was 3 weeks ago, it is entirely possible that the end colors have been selected by now. So don't get your hopes up too high with that one. As you can see by the pics posted, the Sha Flex 400 is a studio with dimensions of 12 by 36. It has a total footprint of 432 square feet. To get a better sense of the layout, here's a look at the floor plan. There are a couple different layouts available within the Flex 400, and it looks to me that the one they're building is this plan right here. This version of the Flex 400 has the bathroom down in the corner, then they'll add the kitchen right beside it. Heading the other direction, they've got room for a kitchen table before the living room, and then at the end they've got the bed. Even though it isn't a fully enclosed bedroom, it is nice to have a separate space in the home that's designated for the bed. If you're looking for that bedroom that's a little bit more contained, they do offer a different version of the same model that has just that. It is available. The Flex 400 with traverse kitchen and bath has the kitchen and bathroom running side to side in the middle of the home instead of tucked away in the corner. That one simple change creates a completely different layout for the entire home. Starting on the bedroom end, they still have the sliding glass door option on the end into the bedroom. Then they've got the bathroom, creating some separation from the rest of the home. The bathroom has a vanity tub, shower, and toilet. On the other side of the bathroom, they've got the kitchen, then finally at the end, they've got the living room and another optional sliding glass door off the back. Couple different options for the Flex 400, good to know. The final option they've got under the Available Now section is the Sha View, a model that you may not have realized they offer because it isn't listed with the rest of the models. They don't have a floor plan posted, but it does look similar, if not exactly the same, to the first My Sha Space model that I showed, only with a different exterior. Just like the first Flex 400 I showed, this model wasn't finished the last time they updated the website, but you can see that the Sha View has a completely different exterior. The first one has a shed roof and the other is a more traditional peak, almost a cottage look. Let me know which one of these 3 models from My Sha Space you like the best. As far as where these are available, right now My Sha Space is focusing on deliveries in Texas. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting the video. The Model E from Wolf Industries starts at $97,500 with a turnkey price listed at $160,000. That's with Wolf handling everything. The Sha Flex that's available now is $79,210, and the Sha View that's available now is $94,900. There we have it. There are prefab homes available now that are likely more affordable than people think. We've got options on the West Coast, we've got options in Texas, and that's really just the tip of what's available. I am always on the lookout for affordable prefab home options, so I will be following both of these companies and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like prefab home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next